If you drive an older C-Class or E-Class, you know that feeling when the interior starts looking tired. This little piece promises to bring back that showroom feel without breaking the bank. And honestly, it delivers a surprising amount of polish for the price. We're looking at the 6-speed gear shift knob boot, specifically designed for those 2008 through 2014 models like the W204, the C63, and even the W212. Compatibility is absolutely key here, and this unit is tailored to fit perfectly, ensuring that factory look and functionality for models like the C300 and C250. The construction uses durable ABS plastic paired with a PU leather boot. Now, while it's not genuine leather, the texture and stitching are surprisingly high quality, especially considering the cost-effectiveness of this upgrade. It's built specifically to withstand daily wear and tear, which is exactly what you need if your original knob is peeling or cracking. The deep black finish and the crisp 6-speed numbering instantly elevate the cabin, adding a sleek touch that makes a noticeable difference. Installation is where this product really shines. They claim it's simple, and it genuinely is. You don't need special tools or modifications. It's a direct swap, designed around that precise 8mm insert hole size. For anyone who's hesitant about tackling interior upgrades, this is a huge confidence booster. You can have this installed and looking sharp in under 15 minutes, saving you time and effort. The tactile experience is great. The knob feels solid in the hand, and the precise 6-speed configuration ensures that smooth, positive engagement we expect from these vehicles. It's not just a visual upgrade. It restores that satisfying mechanical feel that might have been lost due to a worn-out original part. Overall, if you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh the cockpit of your older Mercedes, this gear shift knob is an excellent choice. It's a stylish, functional upgrade that truly enhances the overall visual appeal of your car, making it feel fresh again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.